Hello and good day. This is the 4-step cure tip number 12. Are you willing to change? Are you willing to give up the things that don't benefit you? Are you willing to do something different today that will impact your life forever? If you are not, then that is going to stagnate you in life. No matter how hard you pray, no matter what you do, if you're not willing to make the change, put in the work to change those things that no longer have any benefit in your life, then it's not going to matter. Are you willing to give up the things that make you sick, the things that make you heavy, the things that make you unhealthy, the things that make you unhappy? You have to ask yourself this question. And in tips prior to this, when we talked about prayers, if it's hard for you to give up those things, you need to pray. Pray to your ancestors. Pray to your Ori. Pray to make these changes. And that is my pushing point tip for today. Enjoy the rest of your day.